Welcome to Hallstatt, a fairy tale village in Austria. In this video, I'm taking a train from Ljubljana to this beautiful and magical village in the upper Austrian Alps. Good morning. I'm at Ljubljana train station and I got here and luckily I didn't miss a train. So I'm heading to Salzburg, Austria today, about 300 kilometer, 5 hours journey, and we'll begin our trip.
Das Zug dem Fahrgeschäft ausstehen, Fahrgäste und wünscht einen schönen Tag. Auf Wiedersehen. Ladies and gentlemen, our next stop is Dorf Gastein, wird bald bei Schirle bekehrt. Der Ausstieg befindet sich in Fahrtrichtung rechts 6 in der right side.
So just arrived in Salzburg, Austria. I'm going to my apartment where I'll be staying for tonight, and tomorrow I'm leaving early morning for Hallstatt. So this is my room and that's where I'm staying tonight. So just arrived here, just checked into the apartment. It's with a bunk bed, but I like the concept. It's something different. Just gonna be staying here tonight. Early morning tomorrow, going to Hallstatt, and then spending a few hours there, coming back. And then tomorrow, I have a train to Zurich, Switzerland. Good morning, guys. Waiting for the bus, going to Hallstatt.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye.
So this is the bus stop. I just got off the bus. Now I'm gonna get on the train going to Hallstatt.
Regionalexpress nach Links Hauptbahnhof über Bad Ischl, Adler Buchheim und Wels Hauptbahnhof fährt ein.
So just got off the train. Now I'm gonna head down to the ferry dock, get on the ferry to go to Hallstatt. So this is the ferry we take to Hallstatt. It goes across the lake. On the other side is Hallstatt. So this is Hallstatt. So as you get off the ferry dock and walk those stairs up, the first thing you come across is this marktplatz or marketplace surrounded by wooden houses from 16th century. So this is it, guys, for my Hallstatt trip. I'm gonna be getting on the ferry to get back to the other side of the lake and then get on the train going back to Salzburg. I have a train tonight going to Zurich, so I'm gonna be heading to Switzerland next. That finishes my trip to Hallstatt. Hallstatt is a small village. You can literally cover it within 15 to 20 minutes, walking from one end to the other. There are a few other places that are worth visiting, including the UNESCO's Heritage Skywalk, but that unfortunately is closed today. I don't know, for whatever reason. The maps tell me that the site is temporarily closed, so I can't go there. So that should be it for today. I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys soon in Switzerland.